Welcome back, everyone. I'm Jessica, third-year medical student here at SIU.
And I'm Tyler. I'm also a third-year med student here at SIU.
So today we're going to make a really fun dish. We're going to make some cabbage stir-fry with tofu. It's a very high protein, high fiber, and just budget-friendly idea for a meal.
All right, so first in our previous video we showed you how to press the tofu. After your tofu's pressed, you also want to just make sure you get the excess water out by patting it dry. So just take a paper towel, just going to pat the tofu, get all the extra water out. All right, and then next what you want to do is you're going to want to grate the tofu. Now it may sound silly, but when you grate the tofu, it actually makes it turn out beautifully whenever you cook it. So it seems like a silly step, but really helps the presentation with your dish. And then on your box grater, you're going to use the side with the largest holes. So you're just going to take your tofu and just start grating. And just like that.
So next we're going to add the tofu back to the pan. We're just going to kind of saute it and sear it on all sides until it has that golden color that we're looking for once again. So we'll add some oil to the skillet there. All right, we'll let it get warm. Then I'm just going to add the tofu here. Alrighty.
You're just going to let that cook over medium to high heat for 5 minutes until it's like a golden brown. All right, so next we're going to chop up our cabbage. And after we get this 1/2 head of cabbage chopped up, we're just going to add it straight into the pan along with our garlic. And if you want to save yourself this step, you can also buy a bag of pre-cut coleslaw and use that instead.
Alrighty, next we're going to add this cabbage here to the skillet. We're going to stir it around a little bit.
Yep. So stir fry this for about 3 minutes or until it's just a little crunch. And yeah, after that, we'll be good to move on to the next step.
So next I'm going to make the stir-fry sauce. If you want to refer to our previous video for how it's done, the link will be shared with you. So I'm going to add some honey for our sweetness. Guys, it's smelling really good here in the kitchen. Got the rice vinegar, the soy sauce, and then I'm going to add that garlic and the ginger. And remember, if you want your sauce to be thick, you can add some cornstarch to it and it'll thicken it up. I'm also going to add just a little bit of salt and pepper. Get some good flavor in there. Here's this and this. All right, give it a good stir, and we're just gonna pour it right on top, right on the tofu and the cabbage that's happening in the skillet.
Perfect. And you just want to let that cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, just to allow it to kind of bake into the cabbage and also the tofu. And whenever this is done in 1 to 2 minutes, you can serve it with rice, farro, or quinoa. You can also add in cooked vegetables as well to kind of help further enhance this dish, or also add legumes, which also is high in fiber. You know, this is a very versatile and adaptable dish that you can use at any time of the year. All right, now that it's done, we're just going to go ahead and plate it up.
Yeah, this is just a fast, quick, easy meal. Once again, high protein, high fiber, and it's really cheap and easy to make. I'm excited to taste it. All right, Tyler, let's see what our creation made.
Let's do it.
Here it is in the bowl. Looks really good.
That's pretty good.
This is really good.
It's good.
The flavors blend really well together. Yeah, this is really good.
Yeah. So now you can add this to your list of things to try throughout the week if you want to spice things up in the kitchen and try some new things with tofu or other vegetables.
We really appreciate you guys joining us for this episode. We just made a quick cabbage stir-fry. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Yep.
And thanks, Tyler, for joining me for this video.
Yeah, it was great.
All right.